So we're now ready to test. You have prepared your propulsion system, which could involve inflating something, twisting or turning something. We're ready. We've also filled up our bathtub with just enough water so the boat and that propulsion system are just a few inches above the bottom of your bathtub. And we also have a few other things. I have a tape measure. If you don't have a tape measure, a ruler could work. We also have a phone and or a laptop, but that is going to be used by someone else that you've asked to record while you are testing. Please do not record and release your boat at the same time. You don't want this falling in the tub. Now, when you are ready to test, the back of your boat needs to be either touching or very close to one end of your bathtub. It is okay that it's not in the dead center. You can actually start it on either side, and you can even start it, as I'm going to do with mine, at an angle. My boat tends to turn, so it is fine for me to have it on one end, almost touching in my case since I have a propeller, and it's okay to have it at an angle, if not perfectly straight. Now, this is how you would actually start testing with someone else's assisting you. You're going to place your boat in the tub. You're then going to ask the person who's recording to be ready. You then want to tell them record, and then you're going to go ahead and release. And please have them capture the boat moving from one end, hopefully, to the other end. So here we go. Record. Excellent. Okay, that was rather quick. Now, with my tub, from one end to the other end, granted I'm measuring where the water's located. Not measuring from the top of the tub, I'm measuring from where I started to where I ended. My tub happens to have 4 feet from one end to the other. And I'm measuring where the water is located, the top of the water. Now, in the event it does not travel the distance of your tub, you test it, it goes, and it stops, for example, here. Here's how I want you to test it. Tape measure would be ideal. You could get creative with a ruler. In this case, I would ask you to once again measure from one end, and I want you to measure to the furthest point forward on your boat, and I want you to measure this in inches. And feet is fine, but inches would be even more accurate. Meaning, we could say it's 2 feet 4 inches, or we could say it's 28 inches. Either way is fine in the portfolio. Okay? So I want you to take 3 tests. 3 tests. And I recommend the person record each one of your tests. Take your best video and please upload that to the Flipgrid. The link will be in Google Classroom. Good luck.